So, this first video for my YouTube channel Infinity Science. Today we are going to talk about 3D printing. Okay. What is 3D printing? The 3D printing process builds a three-dimensional object from a computer-aided design, CAD, model, usually by successively adding material layer by layer, which is why it is also called additive manufacturing. The term 3D printing covers a variety of processes in which material is joined or solidified under computer control to create a three-dimensional object, with material being added together, such as liquid molecules or powder grains being fused together, typically layer by layer. In the 1990s, 3D printing techniques were considered suitable only for the production of functional or aesthetic prototypes, and a more appropriate term for it was rapid prototyping. As of 2019, the precision, repeatability, and material range have increased to the point that some 3D printing processes are considered viable as an industrial production technology, whereby the term additive manufacturing can be used synonymously with 3D printing. One of the key advantages of 3D printing is the ability to produce very complex shapes or geometries, and a prerequisite for producing any 3D printed part is a digital 3D model or a CAD file. Next is, what are the uses of 3D printing? In recent years, 3D printing has developed significantly and can now perform crucial roles in many applications, with the most important being manufacturing, medicine, architecture, custom art, and design. 3D printing processes are finally catching up to their full potential, and are currently being used in manufacturing and medical industries, as well as by socio-cultural sectors which facilitate 3D printing for commercial purposes. There has been a lot of hype in the last decade when referring to the possibilities we can achieve by adopting 3D printing as one of the main manufacturing technologies. For a long time, the issue with 3D printing was that it has demanded very high entry costs, which does not allow profitable implementation to mass manufacturers when compared to standard processes. However, recent market trends spotted have found that this is finally changing. As the market for 3D printing has shown some of the quickest growth within the manufacturing industry in recent years. Best 3D printers to buy. First, Monoprice Voxel. Best 3D printer for most people. Second, Lulzbot Mini 2. Best intermediate 3D printer. Third, XYZ DaVinci Nano. A bargain 3D printer if you can find it. Fourth, Ultimaker 3. Best enthusiast 3D printer. Fifth, Formlabs Form 3. A great resin 3D printer.